Number 26. The liver and the pancreas work together to control the concentration of glucose in the blood. Which statement is correct? So, the liver and the pancreas work together. And it says they control the concentration of glucose in the blood. How do they do so? So first of all, the liver converts glucoses into glycogen. Of course, it happens in the presence of a hormone called insulin. And also the other way around happens as well. Glycogen, which is a polysaccharide that's formed by many glucose molecules. And glucose molecules are like this. So glycogen, big chunk of glycogen gets converted back to glucose molecules if a hormone called glucagon is present, or when glucagon is released. So for this one, I would say the answer is D, because the pancreas responds to fall in blood glucose by increasing the release of the hormone glucagon. So when there's a fall in blood glucose, so when there's less glucose, then the pancreas releases a hormone called glucagon, and then the glycogen gets converted back to the glucose molecules in the liver. Okay? So the pancreas is the organ that produces these two hormones, glucagon and insulin. And insulin is produced when there is an increase in glucose concentration in the blood, and the glucogen gets released when there is there's a decrease in glucose molecules in the blood. So insulin is released in order to change glucose molecules to glycogen, thereby decreasing the blood glucose level. And glucagon is produced or released if there's less glucose molecules in the blood. So what glucagon does is that it converts glycogens back to the glucose molecules, thereby increasing the blood glucose level in the blood. Okay? So therefore, the answer is D.